The 2025 W-4 for couples married filing separately with one child, and this spouse is claiming the child. Let's go. All right, we're going to the IRS website, irs.gov. Scroll up to Tools and Applications and click Tax Withholding Estimator. All right, what you'll need is your most recent paycheck stub. Click Use the Tax Withholding Estimate. Let's get started on our 6 steps. Starting with information about you, we selected married filing separately. Do you have a job that regularly withholds federal income tax? Yes, and I plan to claim a dependent on my tax return. Hit next. All right, step number 2 is income and withholding. It asks how many jobs you'll have this year. In this example, she only has one. Guys, keep in mind that when we go to the W-4, even though she's married, it's different from when we did the example married filing jointly, okay? You're not going to have your spouse's paycheck stub in front of you. This is solely for you and your individual income. Okay, so let's keep going. In this example, she works an hourly job. She plans on working this job all year. She's paid every 2 weeks. And then from the most recent pay stub, you're going to pull all of these dates. When did your most recent pay period end? That will be at the top of your check stub, along with your most recent pay date, okay? Put that information in. It's going to ask you how much she makes, if this is a good representation of how much she makes. And so we're going to put in the wages per pay period and the wages earned year to date. They're going to round up or down for you, okay? So that's why it's solid numbers here. Based on the information provided, it looks like the total income from the job this year will be $65,000. Yes, she makes $65,000 per year. We're going to enter from the paycheck stub how much she's paid in federal taxes in the last pay period and year to date. We in this example, we're not going to contribute to the 401k. No bonuses, not getting one, didn't receive one. So we're going to do none of the above here. Other sources of income, we're going to do none of the above. She solely works her job. And so this part is going to be left blank, and we are going to hit next. Step number 3, adjustments. So these are the different adjustments to income. If you don't understand, if you qualify for these, just click the little question mark right here. In this example, she doesn't qualify for any of these, so we're just going to hit next. All right, step 4 is deductions. Now they are going to ask you about your spouse, okay? But they're just going to basically make a statement. It says, please note, if your spouse itemizes deductions, then you must also itemize, even if the amount you can itemize is 0, okay? So in this example, both of them are just going to take the standard deduction. So I'm going to select this one right here. All right, step number 5, let's talk about tax credits, okay? It asks you how old you'll be January 1st of next year and the age that your child will be December 31st of this year. We're going to put both of those numbers in. Now, this was interesting because as I was going through the system for the child independent care credit, guys, if you don't know if you qualify, you want to click that little question mark. And in this example, she does not qualify. Also, for the earned income tax credit, same thing, hit that question mark, and she does not qualify. It was going to be too long for this video, so I'm going to do a separate video about these 2 credits and why she does not qualify, okay? So we got the ages in there. Let's say she don't qualify for any of these other credits, so we're just going to hit next. Okay, and we've made it to the results page. Guys, her expected tax withholding, if she does not make any changes to her W-4, she will pay $6,500 in taxes. However, her anticipated tax obligation is only $3,920. So she is projected a refund of $2,580, guys, and it's just the difference in these 2 numbers because she is overpaying in taxes. Now, if she wants to give herself a pay raise on her job, she can get that $2,580 dispersed in her paychecks by just filling out a new W-4 form. And based on the information we entered, all you have to do is download the pre-filled form and turn it into your employer. Like and follow for more examples. Let me know what you guys want to see next.